Today we're going to unbox and put together a new rack to put server rack batteries in. So this one is made by Wiren. Got this at Signature Solar. And you could probably see as well, I got a bunch of Wiren batteries that came in also. So have 6 of them. They'll fill out this rack. But today's video is going to be unboxing, putting it together, overall thoughts. Hopefully it's a good quality rack, but we'll see. Let's begin. All right, so inside the box, you have your installation guide, bag of screws. I believe this has the casters in it. And then you have the frame. Everything's laid out pretty nice. A lot of foaming here to protect everything. So let's go ahead and start the installation. After the base is assembled, going to install the vertical posts. All right, so as far as the orientation, really important. So I read through the instructions a few different times. It was still trying to figure it out. So where you see these holes that are in the front, just make sure this is facing forward because this is what your server rack is going to screw into your server rack batteries. So this is the left and right side. The openings are on the side. So make sure this open channel is facing outward. And then the ones that are in the back are a little bit different because you don't have that mounting part in the front, because obviously the server rack ears are only going to be in the front. All right, so next thing is the supports that the server rack batteries themselves sit on. So as you're installing these in, this lip should be upward. Now this isn't adjustable as far as each of the supports for the batteries, but if you oblong the hole on these vertical supports, you could probably make a minor adjustment if needed. So if you're mixing and matching batteries, you could probably do that. And if you have a battery that's close, you might be able to fit it in. Of course, all the Wiren batteries themselves are designed to be in here. All right, so here it is fully assembled. So this is the Wiren rack that I got from Signature Solar. So the vertical supports are nice, thick steel. The same with the shelves that the server rack batteries go on. Has heavy-duty casters. The whole assembly is nice and rigid. Others that I put together wasn't until you put the top on or the final pieces that it gains some strength. This was actually quite strong before I even put the top on it. So very well done. I'm going to see what this will fit. Obviously, it's going to fit the Wiren batteries. If I can put some other batteries in, then I may pick up a few more of these, especially if I can fit a Vatra in there. But we'll see. In any event, very nice rack, very well done, thought out well. One bolt or screw, that is, connects all of the different components together, makes assembly a breeze. So just make sure these vertical posts that you orientate them correctly. So that's it. Thanks for watching Mike's Solar Garage.